basically there are two things that human being always will be having. One is what I want, and one is what I am not getting. Yes or no? What we simply call it as expectation and fulfillment, which is two parallel lines which can never meet together. Right? Expectation are on and on and on and on, fulfillment is on and on and on. But they are like this. Expectation train is here, fulfillment train is here. This is going ahead, this is also going ahead. So people will talk about, I expected it, but it was not fulfilled because it cannot meet. As I said, it's parallel line. Right? So there are two things now that can happen. What will you go through when you don't fulfill the expectation? Yes or no? Different people will go different way when the fulfillment doesn't happen. Right? This is one, this train. If your expectations fulfilled, how will that be? Are you there? Right? So, when it is not fulfilled, how will that be? When it is fulfilled, how will it be? Now, you can either ask the person, when it is not fulfilled, how will it be? That is the sensitivity. When it is fulfilled, how will it be? That is your function. Right? When it will not be fulfilled, how will it be? And when it is fulfilled, how will it be? Both these things will be equal and opposite as per Newton's law, not Shaker's law. Because action and reaction are equal and it's equal and opposite. Scientifically true. So when expectations are not fulfilled, what you sense will be exactly the opposite of when the expectations are fulfilled, what you will sense. So humanly, one second, I'll finish this and then we'll go ahead. Humanly, even in the proving, every remedy has its own sensitivity. Yes or no? And every remedy has its own function also. Right? So for a remedy, if 10 people are proving, for example sulfur, if 10 people are proving, out of that, 8 people give you the sense of being ragged. Okay? 2 people are giving you the sense of being philosopher. Now if I have to ask you or everybody, when I say this word ragged, what sort of a picture comes to in front of you all? Huh? Loudly. Huh?
Beggars.
Beggar. Clothing, how will it be? Now I say change the picture. Next picture. Philosopher, how will it be? Up front, quickly.
Same.
You see that? There's a polarity. Beggar on one side, neat on the other side. Torn clothes on the one side and very tidy clothes on the other side. This is the combo pack of its sensitivity and functions of sulfur. The idea of putting the front side of being neat, clean, well dressed is the function. Behind that, who is he? He is a tone completely and hollow. His hollowness to cover, he has put this nice clothing in front. And therefore it comes with a combo pack, ragged philosopher. And we all have by hearted till today, sulfur, ragged philosopher, sulfur, ragged philosopher. What is that ragged and what is that philosopher? How can these two parallel lines come together? Again, that's a question for me. Can it ever come together, ragged on one side, philosopher on the other side? Can it ever meet? But materia medica has brought it together. It is the compensatory feature of this tone feature of original sulfur. So every remedy has a sensitivity and the function which is opposite of it. Are you all getting? And therefore, our materia medica is filled with a lot of functions. What you want to do, humanly, it is easy for us to express. But what you feel, if you don't get to do that, is difficult to express. Therefore, 1 or 2% could express what they feel, what they don't get to do. And 9 of them said what they want to do, they can express what they want to do.